Hi friends, so today we will learn about Excel functions, uh, date and time functions. The Excel provides many functions to work with dates and times, but there is two special formulas. You can use it frequently to manipulate or using the today's date or the time stamp in a system or in Excel sheet. So now and today, so you can get the current date with the today functions and the current date and time with the now functions. Technically the now functions return the current date and time, but you can format as time uh, only as seen below. So let's see the how the things will work. So this is the I can say this is a small formula we are going to demonstrate today. uh, so let's see. If you wanted to see the what would be the today's date, so what would be your formulas you can use. So you can directly use that today functions. And if you wanted to use the time, what would be the time stamp for the now, so you can use the now functions. It will work. See, you will get date and time. So we'll discuss about what we can use for short date shortcut key here. So for that you can use, let's see on the yeah, so this is the notepad, and I'm going to show you how you can use the sort key for today functions and now timestamp. So today functions you can use control and plus this. So let's see how, if you use, then the automatically the things will come. See, and for now the sort key is I am going to provide you the sort key. So you can use, for now you can use control plus shift plus, okay. So this is what you can use. So let's try this one. So I'm going to use this control shift and see the time stamp is there. So this is a small sort key which I would like to show you. So the date shortcut will insert the current time as a fixed value. It will not change. So make sure that if you want to change, you can just refresh it or you can use it. So time in the shortcut will insert the current time is a fixed value. It will not change. So you can, if you wanted to change, you can just use that as usual. So that's all from today. Thank you.